In this session, let us understand about reporting of fraud to central government by auditor. This is provided in section 143 subsection 12 of Companies Act 2013. Auditor in his course of audit comes across, or if he has reason to believe an offence of fraud has been committed or is being committed by officers or employees, then auditor should report that matter to central government in a prescribed format within the prescribed time period. Okay. For this, we have to refer Rule 13 of Companies Audit and Auditor Rules 2014, which says if an offence of fraud involving or expected to involve rupees 1 crore or above, then that matter should be taken to the attention of the central government. So, auditor should report that matter to central government. Let us look at the form, the procedure involved in this. At first, auditor should report the matter to the board of the company or audit committee of the company, and he should do this within 2 days of knowledge of the fraud, and they should respond to his report within 45 days. They should give their reply or observations. So, when auditor receives that reply or observation, what auditor should do? He should forward his report taking into consideration the reply or observations of the board or audit committee, and for those reply or observations, he should also give his comments, that is comments on that reply or observations. And to whom auditor should submit? Already we said auditor should submit to central government. And when he should submit within 15 days from the date of receipt of that reply or observations. Okay, fine. What will happen if auditor is not getting that reply from board or audit committee within 45 days? In case auditor is not getting that within 45 days, then he should forward his report to the central government, and he should give a note which should contain the details of the report that was forwarded to board or audit committee, and he should also mention the fact that he has not received any reply or observations. The next question is, to whom this report should be sent? Report should be sent to the Secretary, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And how it should be sent? It should be sent in sealed cover by registered post with acknowledgement due, and speed post followed by an email in confirmation of the same. Okay. Then this report should be in the letterhead of the auditor, and that letterhead should have postal address, email address, contact telephone number, mobile number of the auditor, and it should be signed by the auditor with a seal, and it should indicate his membership number. And this report should be in the form of statement as specified in form ADT 4.